Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut's donation feature. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a really quick one. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Revolut account, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the donation section. Now once you're there, you can select the charity that you want to donate to, and then you gotta enter the donation amount and just confirm the transaction. And yeah, that's all we have on how to use Revolut's donation features. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And even if you have, please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.